Meet the natural solution for your cough. Zandu introduce a cough syrup which is rupees only 5. First up, tulsi, queen of herb, expectorant which is clear cough and boost your immunity. And vasaka is a powerful bronchodilator. Turmeric is reduce throat inflammation. And best part of Jhandu is 100% non-rosy. With 16 potent herbs like suthi and honey, it is a legacy of trust in every dose. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई कीजिए. यह कफ सिरप कंप्लीट नेचुरल बेस्ड है और ज़रूर आपको फ़ायदा मिलेगा. थैंक यू.